All right, here's another fruit tree that started from a seed or a pit. This is, I believe, an apricot tree. Now, the important thing about growing trees from seeds or pits is nearly all fruit trees have a taproot. But the moment you transplant them, they lose the taproot. Now, usually whenever I say that, there's always somebody who asks, well, what if I started in a container that's this deep and then I transplant that, like when it's just a little tiny guy? You'll still lose the taproot. Anytime you transplant, you lose the taproot. So these trees are going to have a magnificent taproot. Therefore, they're going to be a stronger, healthier tree that requires less irrigation and less fertilizer, and it will require, it'll have less pest control damage or pest damage. It'll be just a more vibrant, stronger, healthier tree. Then there's some people that are like, well, if you do that and you start it from seed, it won't be true to parent. And my response is, well, you're not true to your parent. You know, you're a combination of both parents and your grandparents and their parents and grandparents, etc., etc. Everyone's going to be a little bit different. And then some people are kind of like, well, it's only 1 in 20,000 that produces a fruit that's worthwhile. And it's like, no, 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 you're confusing that. About 80% of the trees that grow from seed produce fruit that's worthwhile. But only 1 in 20,000 is going to be able to compete at the grocery store with the varieties that they have now. But you're not growing a tree in your backyard to compete with the fruit in the grocery stores. You just want magnificent fruit in your own backyard. Then if you start saving the seeds from those for whatever you think is best and planting those, eventually you're going to have fruit that's the kind of fruit that you like the best, that does the best on your property.
If you like this sort of thing, come on out to the forums at permies.com, where we talk about starting trees from seed, homesteading, and permaculture all the time.